very good morning, my dear students. So in this PPT, I'm going to tell you what are the characteristics of an operation research. Okay, so in detail. So this question is very important for the point of examination. So every year, this question is asking in the university examination. Okay, so please listen carefully. Okay, so here, so I told already, OR nothing but it is a scientific method for providing an executive department within a quantitative basis for the decision regarding the operation under their control. So this definition is wrote by this scientist name called as Morse and Kimball. Okay, so here the so many authors are wrote different definition by OR, but you remember in the examination point of view, so you take any one definition, write it. Okay, don't confuse. Okay, so and also this TL Sati, so he has defined operation research by his own method definition, that is it is an OR is nothing but it is an art of giving a bad answer to the problems where otherwise worse answer are given. So if you are not giving the best answer to the problem, you will not get. So that is the meaning of this. Okay, so here the next one is what are the different characteristics of an operation research. Okay, so here I listed here so many characteristics. So first one is OR is a systematic approach to the problem. Okay, second characteristics we will go one by one in the next slide. Okay, OR is an interdisciplinary team approach. You can work out this. OR can be increase the creativity ability of the decision maker, and OR is a scientific approach in that we are defining, observing, formulating, testing, analyzing. Okay, OR is an objective approach, and digital computer also there. That is the objectivistic approach, digital computer, quantitative solution. Okay, OR is in a continuing process, optimizing nature and human judgment. So these are the different characteristics of an operation research. Please by heart or whatever, I don't know that this question is very important for the point of examination, so we'll study one by one. So first characteristics is, that is a OR is in a systematic approach. So systematic OR is systematic approach means even if you take any complex problem or any given if you want to research, if you want to develop your own project, means we have to how to approach it, that is way of approaching that project and reaching finally success. So the way of doing that one is called as a system approach. Okay now, so that is nothing but the essence of a system approach is to find all significant and indirect effect of on all the parts of a system, and to evaluate each action of the terms of the given effect for the system of a as a whole. Okay, so if for this, the meaning of this one is, if you want to develop any project, means first you find the identify the problem statement, then you create a model, then you have to go for the analysis, then go for the solution, then get the result. So how you are going to approach, how step by step, that is about then first characteristics. Okay now, the reaching the very systematic approach to the given project. Okay, second is an OR is an interdisciplinary team approach. So OR cannot be used only in the one particular disciplinary. Okay, you can use in any different field. So either it is mechanical department or electronics department, interdisciplinary combination work also we are using this OR. So same I hear the sentence, it is a it is interdisciplinary in nature and needs to team approach to solving the economical, physical, psychological, biological, sociological and engineering aspect of a problem by the assistance of the mathematical, statistician, engineer, economist, management and computer expert. This team for the given problem task to analyze the cause and effect of the relationship between various parameter and evaluate the outcome of the various alternative strategy. Okay, so the meaning of this means, even if you have developed one project, means in that project, so even that computer man also will come, and even mechanical man will also come, and electrical also come to get the best solution. So that is about an interdisciplinary team approach. Okay, so third one is to increase the creativity ability of decision making. So by using this OR technique, we can create powerful tool to solve that given complex problem. So that is about this. So here I wrote here, OR is a powerful tool in increasing the effectiveness of the managerial decision. So if you want to take any decision, so this is a powerful tool can be developed to solve that given problem. Okay, next one is OR. Not only this is a normal technique, it is OR can use in scientific approach also. So here first here, if you want to develop any product, means first to define the given problem. So that is what the problem here, the fourth fifth step will be there: defining, observing, formulating, testing, analyzing. Okay, defining means give the given product or given project, you have to define with clear and conditions. Okay, so that is the problem to be analyzed clearly, and defining the condition are to be observation. So problem can be analyzed very clearly. Second one is observe. So how we are going to observe to solve that problem, and formulate. So step by step you have to formulate the given problem. Okay, testing. Once you formulated step by step, go for testing, then analyze, then you will get a result. Okay, So next, fifth one is OR is an objectivistic approach. So this means OR attempts to find out the strategic or optimal solution to the problem under the consideration. So once if you go the with the help of this OR technique to solve that problem, if it is fails at the beginning, again go for the next. So it is like a iterative method how we are going to solve in mathematics. So iterative problem to get better solution. So that is about the fifth meaning. So next one is a digital computer. So with the help of some digital computer, okay, you can solve the given problem. Okay, so here I wrote here, by with the help of digital computer has to become an integral part of an operation research approach to the decision making. So if you want to make any decision decision, some help also required for the digital. Okay, next one is a quantitative solution. Okay, this is also a number of solution we will get, but we will get a best optimal solution. So that is operation research assist the management with a quantitative basis for the decision making to take the best decision. Okay na? So OR is so the eighth one is OR is a continuing process. So it is a not only if you want, if you use the process, you cannot stop. It is a continuing process, so till you will get a better result. Okay. And the next ninth one is the optimizing nature. So it is or it ties the optimize the total return by maximizing the profit or minimizing the cost. Either we can go for maximization. The some company need we want more profit but to reduce the cost. So some company what cost is high, material should be less. So it can be used any way. Okay, and human judgment. Finally, it in deriving the quantitative solution, sometimes human effort play a significant role in the problem or ignored. Okay, so human problem also very human work factors also very important to solve the any given problem. So sometimes we can ignore that also. Okay. mm. Next, so how we are going to help this operation research. So I told this slide when the it is deciding where the investment capital in order to grow, whether we can grow very if you want to put any investment for the given product, or you can go for reduce the cost. So that also help by using this. Okay, like this we have solved and also solve the complex scheduling problem. Okay, second one is getting more value out of ERP. By using this technique we will get the more ERP. So how that nowadays the serial are getting ERP, by using this technique also we can get. So figuring out of the best we have to run the call center. So by using this technique we can not only call center, we can run a best way of any small industry or startup companies. Okay, like this we have to, this will help the operation research in the field. Okay, so how this systematic methods will be there, there is a methodology there. So here the first one, orientation, problem definition, validation, output analysis, solution implementation, data collection, model formulation. These are the methodology of OR. Okay, in orientation means just go and observe the what in and around surrounding what going to be happen for related to your project work. Then problem definition, then according to from there you develop your product statement or your project statement. Then go for the validation and output analysis, go for checking or analyze that given problem, you will get a solution. Then implement somewhere or in your company. Then collect the data, then model the formulation, then release into the market. So this is about the characteristics of an operation research, and this question is very important. I think I hope you understand this. Thank you.